If you want to convert ordinary steel bars into epoxy-coated steel bars, that needs such a double-layer epoxy steel bar production line. It can quickly and efficiently convert ordinary steel bars into epoxy resin-coated steel bars in batches. The steel bars are transported by roller conveyors through the automatic heating system. When the steel bars are transported to the precise location, the loading system automatically returns to the original position and waits for the next heating. Blast working start. Rusty steel bars enter the shop blasting room through a special roller conveyor. The production line is fully intelligent PLC controlled. Also, the working status of the equipment can be remotely detected. Each blast turbine is designed with precise angles through 3D simulation to ensure that the steel shot covers all the steel bars and all surfaces. Rust removal level can easily reach 4.2. Roughness can reach 40到75微米. The equipped cartridge filter dust collector makes the dust removal efficiency above 99.5%. After 3 to 5 minutes blasting time, the steel bar with clean surface and certain roughness leaves the shop blasting chamber. In sharp contrast to before cleaning, only clean and rough steel bars are suitable for powder spraying. The steel bars are then transported by rollers to the next supply and demand the heating system. The steel bars can enter each heating hole accurately through the roller conveyor. The heating system can quickly raise the steel bars to the specified temperature. The steel bars that have reached the specified temperature can enter the powder spraying room. The upper and lower rows of spray guns spray the steel bars with powder without dead angles. This is the finished epoxy-coated steel bar. At this time, the steel bar temperature is too high and needs to enter the cooling system.
Wave speed steel bar.
After spraying and cooling, the epoxy resin layer steel bar has reached the normal temperature. The steel bars are transported to the end of the production line via roller system. The unloading system starts working. This is the complete epoxy resin rebar production line. Increased corrosion resistance of steel bars. It extends the service life of the building. In order to ensure product quality, from design, production, installation to after sale, it is inseparable from the unremitting efforts of King Kong.